Hello everyone. I currently have the problem with this 1988 10th anniversary FC3 stock rotary engine and stock turbo, but deported. Got it back from my uncle and it haven't been running for like 3 years. So now it's in my possession and I try to get it back up and running. However, I ran into a problem. This is how the car is gonna start. Lights on, gauge is working. My foot up the gas pedal, it just slowly stop and die. I put my I can smell a lot of gas coming out of my exhaust, so yeah, if I keep my foot on the gas pedal, then it just keep running. If I let it go, it's gonna stop. Try vacuum leak and nothing leaking. The AFM is good. I disconnected. It's just gonna turn on, but it's not. It's just cranking and it's not running. Plug it back in. It's running like this. So if anyone have an idea what's wrong with the car, please help me out. Thank you.